Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Today I am having a little bit serious topic because all of us, we want our children to be happy. At the same time, children also need us to be happy. But nowadays, what happens? Many times, because of job and all, children have to go out. They have to go out to the foreign countries because there they get good job, good payment, everything. And that is why parents also send them. Once they go there, they see that their everything is very clean, neat and tidy, and good payment and all. And what happens? In due course, they think of settling there. Sometimes they marry the girls from that place. So naturally, they will be becoming the citizens of that country. Here, by this time, the parents are 60 plus, 70 plus, like that. Then what happened very recently? Very recently means just I think 17 days back. My friend and her husband, they were staying in India. They are having two sons who are working in America. One has married an American girl, another has married a girl from Holland, I think. A Dutch girl he has married. So they have been settled there. And here, my friend and her husband, only they are staying. And about 3-4 years back, my friend's husband got a slight paralysis attack. Because of that, he was not able to move out and all. Inside the house, she used to hold him and take him to the toilet and all. And it was going on for 3-4 years. And since it was going on in the same way, my friend never used to go anywhere out. Only if we are going to attend any birthday or for 1 or 2 hours, she used to ask her maid to stay in the house and take care of her husband. She too used to manage that. And what happened in due course? They were okay managing well. A few days back, that is just, I told you, I think 17 days back, the servant came. She was knocking the door. No one opened it. And then she told the neighbors. Then they told the police. And when they broke the door, they saw that my friend was expired. She was lying down on the cot. And next to her, her paralytic husband was just lying down looking at the roof of the room. Just imagine, very horrible thing. And both the children are in America. So then the neighbors rang to her sons, but due to some problems, they were unable to come. I think I have done a video on that, and in that video I think it is her son only has written a comment as well. He writes there that because of inevitable things he is not able to attend, and attending after time, that is when everything is over. What is the use? That is why I haven't come. I will write the link in the description box of this video. So if you know Marathi, you can read, but many of the comments are in English as well. There are so many comments and even video has got more than lakhs of views. And that is why the sons were not able to come. Then the neighbors and their one distant cousin from Pune who had come, they all arranged everything, and then they had to look after the old man, what to do for him, because he was bedridden. They were searching for the old age house or a hospital and all. It was going on for 2-3 days. And on the third day, even the man passed away silently on the cot, and he solved all the problems. So now the question is, when the children are far away, and suppose if they are not able to come right in time, what we seniors should do? One is, if you are not able, if you are old enough, you can stay in the old age house. If you go with the children, if they are ready to take you, it is well and good. But many times even the children will be having their own problems. But that is why I am telling you to go through that video and look at the comments. After reading the comments, I too realized even the youngsters might be having their own problems. So, otherwise what I feel is, we should have a community of that area or that place. And to any leader of the community should be told about the ritual, that is the funeral. No doubt it is little bit bitter truth, but it is the truth. That suppose if the children are not able to come, then whoever the responsible person of that community or area, under his leadership, everything will be done. I feel that it should be done because it is the need of the day. We can't tell that the children also should be with their parents only because the things are changing here, they are not getting the jobs. So for the sake of the job and all, they have to go far away, and there also they might be having their own problems. That is why something should be done. I heard that from some of my own people that in other countries they are having some, old age homes are there. Old age homes even we are having in India as well. At the same time, if the children are not able to come to perform the last rites, government performs or something like that, some rules and all that. I think we too should have some rules like that, because you are knowing the person when he passes away, he should be treated well. That is what I feel, with due respect, with whatever the customs of that person, he should be treated well. Otherwise, what happens, because you may read when you go through that video, one of the viewers had written there in the comments, in Lokhandwala complex in Mumbai, the same thing happened. His son was in foreign countries, and the man died, and after 4-5 days, because it was some stinging, bad smell was coming, people asked the police, and they came and they opened the door and they saw that the thing. Another lady asked me whether you are writing about the Mumbai East, because there also the same thing happened. Another lady told me that even in her neighborhood the same thing happened. Means nowadays it has become bitter truth in some. It should not happen, I feel. So I think that even the elderly people, If their children are far away, let it be in foreign countries or even in India, far away, if they are not able to come, because even their children are at that time 50 plus, 60 plus, 70 plus, like that. So they should do some arrangement beforehand, so there won't be problem to anyone. I feel this should be treated as a serious thing. And if you are having any opinion of your own, you can write in the comment box. Have a nice day.